Okay, so we're back in the tutorial. So we're gonna learn about interface on this one, and yeah, let's just start it. Okay, so interface, what is interface? And yeah, so basically interface is just a template, and you see the article that I pull up on when I search, does TypeScript a OOP like that? Absolutely, maybe, and it's not 100% objected or like Java. If you see the name, it's not the same class. You should make a class that in order to work, compared to C++ that you can do it procedurally like C. And yeah, so same on TypeScript. Anyway, you can just think about a JavaScript is a, how you gonna say it, sugar, like you can add the TypeScript same on like Java thing anyway. And yeah, so let's just start it. So I make this video almost 5 times how I'm gonna explain this thing. And you know what, let's just start it. So what is interface again? One more time, it's just a template of a class. So I'm struggling to explain this thing. It's way easy if I explain this on Java or C# like that. Like, how are you gonna explain this for a JavaScript developer that you should use object-oriented programming language approach? I've never done that before. You know what? Let's just apply this out. And yeah, so the way I'm gonna explain interface is like a template. Okay, it's just a template that you're gonna implement. And yeah, let's just start it. In order to do this, you're gonna use interface person. And as you know, interface is just a template, and there's no value on that. Yeah, it's so easy to explain this on Java or C# anyway. And yeah, so basically all of the value and the function are void, and they don't have value. So on this one, we're gonna implement the person interface by using a semicolon, and the not interface is equal to something like that. If you see this, we're gonna get an error. It's missing the okay, so it's missing the properties of the person. So you know what, copy this and put it on here. So first name, let's say John, and like that. Age is 26, and we're gonna return, okay, we're gonna return, it's string, right? So semicolon string, our function. So we're gonna return and hider, so something like that. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna console.log. Let's say customer dot first name, we got the first name, right? To age and function, let's say last name, so we access the function like that and like that. So Dino run, and we're in interface, right? So interface.ts compile. So yeah, so this is interface in TypeScript. We create a variable that implement the interface. And yeah, so we got the interface on this one. We access the variable and the function. And So one thing about I forgot about interface, you should be adding this. I read this on books, right? You should be to making this. You should be II, like for or classes on Java. Like you should be add I. So we know that this is a interface that we're dealing. I already forgot that. So yeah, so you should add I on this one, like interface / person, like that. It's a good practice on design pattern. Like when I read books about design pattern, they always use I and the class name on that interface name, and take notes. This is not a design pattern or something like that, so always put I on the beginning name of the interface name, something like that there. And yeah, so this is the interface on TypeScript, and we're gonna go on the next tutorial. So yeah, see you next. So it's getting longer. See you in the next tutorial. So we're still on interface, and yeah, see you in the next tutorial.